Good morning. Today we'll be learning how to format the cells. For that we need to put certain data into it so we get formatted. See, for example, I'm going to put as my grocery bills. I need to take care of the grocery bills and I need to know at the end of the month how much I spent, where I spent, and for what purpose I did spend. Right. I just added serial number, which store I went, for what purpose, and how much I spent. And I can go ahead and put, or instead of serial number, I can say date. And now I want serial number as well. So I want to add line right here. So I can do insert. You can use the mouse, the right key, go to insert. Once you press insert, it's going to give a small box which says insert what. We want to insert entire column and say OK. Then you get a addition of entire column. Here you can put down serial number. I need to add 20 items. So if I just go to the corner and press Control key and drag it down, it is going to increment the number to 20. Now I need to put dates. So if I put 4/22/2013, it's coming like this. But only if I put 4/22, it's going to take a different format. I can make it as a standard, so I can go ahead and select the entire column, right click, go to format cells. This is a date, so we go to date. And how do you want the date type? Do you want like this, where you have entire Wednesday, March 14th? No. Just two of them? No. I want in the format of 2 digits for date, 2 digits for month, 2 digits for year. In this way, I can go ahead and put entire data into this particular sheet. That's what I have done right here. Over here, I have added serial number, date, store, particular amount. I added data for 20 lines, which has different cell format. So I'm going to show you how to do the cell format again. Select the entire row. Right click, go to format cells. Once you get to format cell, just see what data it has. It has date. So go to dates and choose appropriate type what you want and press OK. Once you press OK, entire cell is going to have similar kind of data. Same thing you can do it for amount. First line has $107.00. Second cell is not formatted, and so on and so forth. So we want it to be standardized, so we select the entire row. We right click, go to format cells. It will give you options what category. It is currency. So take a currency, and you can even put 0.22 decimals. If you want a symbol, let's see one step. It's going to give me all digits plus 2 digits after decimal. I do need a symbol which says a dollar amount. So I go ahead and select the entire row. Right click, go to format cells. Over here, I choose this thing, currency, and I take a symbol as what symbol I need to use, dollar, and say OK. and it's going to put down the dollar right here. And you can always format or align the text, the cell. Now this data is on the right hand side of this particular row. I want this data to be in the center. So I can of course go right here which says the alignment. First one is left alignment, center alignment and right. I can use the center one where the data goes into the center of the cell. And I can change for a single cell as per my requirement. If I double click the row, it will automatically adjust to the size of that particular cell. And here I need a total. I need the total amount for the month of April. So what I have to do, I have to add line 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till 20th. One method is to add a formula where you put is equal to SUM sum. You give a bracket and you can add down to number 1, number 2, number 3 with a plus sign. But it will take 22 times to add me a number. So the shortcut method is to give the range of the cell. The range is the starting point and the ending point. So from starting from right here and drag it down. See, as we move, the name of that particular cell keeps on changing, and once we leave it, it's going to take that number, say from row E3 to E22, and I just say close the bracket and enter. It is going to give me the total amount which has been spent in this particular month. The second thing is to format the table. And go and do borders, where you can put all borders, and then a thick border, and then you can give a particular row as a thick border. And over here you can always do total double line bottom, which it says double line bottom. It says, like in accounting you do double line. Oh, this is total. Thank you for watching my video where we learned how to format the cell and how to enter data and how to align it and how to take the total of the particular row.